Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This is a beautiful pattern. It is worked with 3 DC shells over the 3 chains, row after row, and it creates a diamond like formation, and it can be used for any project of our liking, and it can be combined with other patterns too. And this is a 1 row repeat pattern. To make this pattern, we require a multiple of 6 plus 4 as the foundation chains. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 3 repeats of 6 plus 4, 22 chains. To begin with, make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook. Place 1 double crochet each on each of the next 2 chains. Row 1 is not a repeat row. Row 1 is a foundation row. Chain 3, skip 3, skip 3, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Again chain 3, skip 3, three double crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 chains. You will be left with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, skip 3 and place a double crochet in the very last chain. Yeah, this completes our row 1. Row 2 is the repeat row. For row 2, either chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 is counted as first as a DC. Otherwise, turn, make a double crochet on the very first edge. That is a standing twisted double crochet that we do very often. Pull up a loop, pick up the yarn, pull through this and behind the loop on the hook and complete the double crochet. Place 3 double crochets under the chain 3 space. Chain 3, skip 3, place 3 double crochets. And 3 double crochets are separated by chain 3 spaces, and all these 3 double crochets are worked under the chain 3 spaces of the previous row. Chain 3 and place a double crochet in the 3rd chain of the turning chain. So this completes our row 2 and the pattern repeat row. So row after row repeat repeat the instructions for row 2 that we have done, and you can work the instructions for row 2 to the any desired length of your project. This can be combined with other projects too, and once you work, you get a diamond shape between the DCs. Now it may not be very visible, but once the project is completed and blocked, you get the diamond shape here between the sets of 3 DC groups. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the new videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.